The product in front of me, we call it a floor trim. Yes, it's made by brass. For this floor trim, it's mainly made by three parts: the outer frame and the foundation, and the third part would be the short valve, also made by brass. As you can see, this brass valve can do like this. That means it anti-sting. See, very fluently, anti-sting. Okay, for the size of the frame would be 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Then for the assembling, you just put the outer frame into the main body, into the basement. You can finish the assembly. Okay, for the material, they all made by brass, full brass. Three parts all made by brass. Okay, for the product size, we are done the introduction. Then let's talk about the product features. Number one, I think I will give credit to the diamond chrome plating. As you can see, it's very shiny silver color. This will prevent scratch from your daily usage and anti-corrosion. Number two is the color. You can chrome this product in different color like white, black, silver, etc. This really depends on your home decoration, or you can depend on the color in your floor. Okay, number three is easily installation. About this product, as I just show you, very easily to install. You just put out the frame and put the foundation onto the floor. Then fix the foundation with the floor. Then put back the frame. Done very easily. And even if you never did this plumbing work before, you will assembling it successfully for the first time. Okay, number three, I think would be the very perfect design. This can makes the environment in your bathroom or home decoration looks very high level, very luxury. Okay. For after talking about the product features, I would like to talk about the package. This package, we have two options for you to choose. One is color box, while the other is brown box. If you have your own brand, you can choose our color box. This will help to improve your brand image. Okay, please go through our website and you will know more product details for this product. That's it for this item.